Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news into the market at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and be cautious at this timing because the price can be really volatile, which is not ideal for the lower time frame trades. So now let's jump to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and what we can see is that the price was bullish into the monthly levels, and currently it is mitigating the order block of the monthly levels, and currently we are disrespecting this FVG of monthly. So though we are bullish, but the smaller time frames can be bearish because of this bearish move. So let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, we can see that the price took the high of the weeklies, and then the price broke this low, and this was not an ordinary low because it was the price which had respected this FVG of the weekly levels. So according to the weekly levels, the price is bearish right now. So the bias is still not clear because we are having some kind of a push from this order block or the order flow, whatever you call it, from here, and the price is a little bit reluctant to go into the downward direction from this level. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move to the dailies, though we have nothing much clear here, we can see that the price had swept the previous day's low and closed above it, and we are having this FVG. So most likely, if the price is going to mitigate this FVG, and we can then possibly come down towards the lower side. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in there. As we move to the 4 hours, we can see that this was the daily sweep, but currently into the 4 hours, we can see that after taking the price, swing high, the price moved into the downward side and we get a close below it. So the bias is still not clear because the daily is on the bullish side because the price had swept the previous day's lows, while the 4 hour is in contradiction bearish. So the price can be range bound today, or if we are going to break any kind of a strong low, then we are most likely going into the downward side. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hours, we can see that the price had made a strong low, which is the low of Asia right now. So if we are going to invalidate the Asia low, most likely we are going to continue the journey into the downward side towards this equal low. And let me tell you why is this chart, level marked, because this is the only unmitigated area from where the price can possibly react to. So if the price fails to hold the strong low into the smaller time frame, that is 1 hour, that is the Asia low, most likely we are coming down to this level. So let's move to the 1 hours again. As we move into the 1 hours, we can say that if the price is going to take the Asia low, most likely we are going to continue our journey till this level. Else, if we are going to follow the bullish order flow, most likely our extreme target will be this level, that is 1.09551, which is the daily FVG. So let's move to the 15 minutes directly to see the scenario. So into the 15 minutes, we can see that the price had taken some kind of a liquidity and then moved into the further upside direction. So if we are going to take this strong low, get a close below it, most likely we are going to continue the journey till this level. And if we are going to continue the journey into the upside direction, respecting order block, and let's see if we are having some FVG over there. So if we are going to respect this FVG and then break the high, most likely we are going to continue our journey till this level, that is previous New York high will be vulnerable in that case. So trade wisely. This is pretty much it, and yeah, few people have filled the form, and I'm looking forward to initiate the mentorship uh, from Monday. So be prepared for that. And if you still want to enroll in that mentorship, uh, the form is in the description of this video. Don't fill the form. So yeah, thank you for watching.